we're going to be uploading a YouTube video. Yay! I need to turn my camera round. Okay, here we go. Hey guys, and salutations to everybody. My name is Mr. Miles, and I'm at an air show, painting air show, and I'm just gonna show you some of the planes. So let's go, I guess. I'm gonna see if we can find them. Are we getting blurry? Okay, no, we're good. So I'm just gonna go over here. Oh, there's something going down over there. Don't know what though. Don't know if you can hear that or see anything. Oh look, there's a plane over there. Should be able to see that as well, although you can't. Okay, at the moment we're just waiting for the typhoon. We have already seen it, but it hasn't gone like a proper run through, and it should hopefully turn around to get back to its airbase, so I can get some footage of that. But yeah, I will see you when I get some footage. So let's go. Okay, so we've made some friends right here. We've got Mrs. Penelope and Mr. Penelope. So yeah, we've made some new friends. Just waiting for the typhoon. So I'll meet you back. Okay, so we're gonna have point A, point B, point C, and point D. And we're just going to wait for some planes. So next it's the Battle of Britain Memorial Flag. Don't know what that is, and then after that we're going to have the typhoon. So it should be great. So yeah, let's go. We're moving to point B. We have some planes. Somewhere right there. Don't know where it's gone now though. You can hear it all right though. Oh, that's Dan. He's Mr. and Mrs. Penelope's friend. Pardon me. And now the planes. I was gonna do this cool super villain voice, but it didn't work. I don't know where they are. I'm gonna move over to point A and see if I can do. If you can see any planes, put in the comment section below. Just so. And if you're on Facebook, then leave a comment as well, because this will be uploaded to both YouTube and Facebook. So hello YouTube, and hiya Facebook. Okay, I'm gonna move back to point C to sit down. There's Dan, and I'll be back in a minute for the typhoon, I think. Wait, can you see that? Yeah, we've got some planes, although they look like flying saucers on the screen. They are indeed planes. There we are. Oh wait, is it falling? Oh look, they're falling, that's so cool. Oh, okay, I can't see them anymore. So yeah, I'll meet you back when either the flags come. Don't know if they're the flags or not, or the typhoon. So yeah, be back in a minute. Okay, so I've just been informed that the Battle of Britain showcase thing are behind those trees. So I'm gonna go and move over to point A. Shadow. And I can't see anything at the moment. But on that note, if I do, I'll start videoing. So yeah. Okay, so we've got a Battle of Britain. I can't see a thing. Don't know if you can, but it's somewhere there. Right up at the sun. I'm not looking only. Can you see it there? Right there. Can you see it? I'm gonna have to shield the something else. I can't see it anymore. Where's it gone? You could probably see it, but I can't because it's the sun. I can't look at the sun, obviously. But if you can see it, then great, I guess. That's the Battle of Britain flag, I think. Right, there we go. And the Gaming Pig, if you are watching this, then it's your lucky day. Because the Gaming Pig loves planes and stuff like that. I can see it with my own eyes. Don't know if you can see it though. Somewhere. It's right up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm not looking at the screen because of the sun. Oh, look at that. Look at the sun. Wow. Okay. I think it's gonna come over us. Oh, it's up there! Somewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it with my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna move to point D to see if I can get a better shot. There! Somewhere where you're looking. You should be able to see it, hopefully. Oh, it's speeding up. I can see it. I don't know if you can, though. But, yeah. That is pretty cool. Just blinded you with the sun there, didn't I? There. Can you see that? I don't know. Whew. Okay. I will carry on recording when the typhoon comes. So, yeah. See you in a bit. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but we've got the typhoon that is so loud. I'm at point C. And I don't know where it is. Where's it gone? I just had to dash over here. Why is it all blurry? Focus camera. There we go. Oh dear. Oh! Where's it gone? Would not like to be the guy flying that thing. Oh. Is it going to come back round so I can get some footage? Don't know why my camera keeps on unfocusing, if that makes sense. You probably can't hear me. That's completely fine. Oh, there it is. Somewhere there. I don't know where it's gone. Oh, there. Oh, it's going... Typhon! Oh, I saw it. Okay, where's the afterburn then? The afterburn hasn't come yet. Oh, there it is. There. Oh, and there's the actual plane itself. Don't know if you can see. It looks like a paper aeroplane, actually, doesn't it? Oh, it's diving. Don't know if you saw that. I'm zoomed in, by the way, just so you can get a better look. Oh. Focus, camera, focus. Jeez. By the way, guys, I don't know why my camera's getting so blurry. I'm really sorry. But, one sec. There we go. Please work now. Oh, and no, that's just a tennis ball. I'm gonna have to clean my tablet when I get home. Dear. Now we play the waiting game. Yes. Yes. Yes, the waiting game. Yes. Yes. Oh. There. It's diving. I don't know why you can't see it. Okay guys, I'm really sorry but my video just cut short. But there's a typhoon. You probably didn't see it, but oh well. Whee! Oh, jeez.